The first thing to do is close your MacBook Air and flip it over. On the bottom are 10 5-point Torx screws to remove using your pentalobe screwdriver. The two center screws along the hinge edge are longer than the others, so let's remove those first. Then, remove the remaining 8 screws. You can now lift the bottom cover up and off. There's a snap underneath near the center, so you may have to pull a bit to detach it. To disconnect the battery, gently but firmly pull on this plastic tab until the plug comes out of its socket. There are 5 Torx T5 screws holding the battery in that need to be removed. The center screw and the 2 innermost ones are longer, so we'll remove those first. Then, we can remove the 2 shorter ones near the front. Now all you need to do is lift the battery up and out of the MacBook Air. Set your new battery into the MacBook Air and make sure it's laying flat. Then, replace the 5 Torx T5 screws that hold it in. Start with one of the long screws in the center to hold things in place. Then the 2 other long screws in the innermost corners. Then the 2 shortest ones in the outer corners. Finally, connect the battery by lining up the plug and simply sliding it into its socket. You can now set the bottom cover back into place and push down in the center to engage the internal clip. We can now replace the screws that hold the bottom cover in. Start with the 2 longer screws which go in the center on the hinge edge. Finally, replace the remaining 8 screws. You may now flip your MacBook Air over, open it up, and turn it on.